Karmas definitely helps me ke whatever I am doing, I am doing it within the law and culture. Dharma is basically is the guidance for me. This is the path. This is something you can do it. As I was telling about Big Bang. ब्रह्मा जी ने ऐसे देखा सृष्टि। क्या हम सृष्टि तो नहीं बना सकते, लेकिन हम अपना यूनिवर्स ऑफ कंपनीज तो बना सकते हैं, यूनिवर्स ऑफ अपना स्टार्टअप तो कर सकते हैं, यूनिवर्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस तो बना सकते हैं। देखो हम कितना, ब्रह्मा जी ने तो बहुत बड़ी बात सोची थी, हम तो बहुत छोटी बात सोचते हैं, लेकिन एक डायरेक्शन देखो ना, बिग बैंग एंड ये सब कितना रिलेट हो रही है चीजें। इट इज मेकिंग यू आउट ऑफ, इट विल हेल्पिंग यू टू कम आउट ऑफ योर शेल बेसिकली। That's the whole thing. So dharma is always the guiding factor, and karma is all about doing the things by law and order and with the culture.
And how has your definition of success evolved over the years?
If I say success, everybody has their own definition of success.
Yes.
Your success might be something else. For the poor people, having a food on the
Table.
or having a dinner at night is success.
Yes.
Yeah. My success is something satisfactory. Am I satisfied? Am I satisfied in something? Today, if I have done some work, for example, very small thing, even though it is a transactional work, has that transactional work given me the happiness or the satisfaction? So for me, the success will be satisfaction.
And what kind of impact do you want to leave behind?
People should, one thing is there, should remember me in any form,
Okay.
in any
And
way. Yeah.
What advice would you give young professionals starting today?
Just go on, don't think, just do something, and don't get, don't fear of any failure, because whatever you will do, it's not that it will take away your life. Okay, you are so blessed with the the surroundings right now, the technology, the lot of things happening in the world, and there is a lot of opportunities also. Okay, you go anywhere, but do something, and don't get even have the afraid of any fear or anything, or this will not work or that will not work. That's fine.